Nigerian military. That uniform when they put on, are you not feeling heat? That your uniform is coarse. Take it off. Throw that your uniform off and have a better life. Some of you are still beating your chest, say you want to keep Nigeria one. Which Nigeria do you want to keep one? Your master who sent you that work we are doing, you think he's ready to keep Nigeria one? He's not. Those Fulani are not ready to keep Nigeria one. Their job is to destroy Nigeria. That is what they came for. Just check the history of Nigeria, the way they are destroying it. Because of Fulani, you don't have a steady electricity today. Because of Fulani, you have nothing. Together with your brother, we get longer truth, we call himself a politician. Yeah? What kind of life is that? You beat your chest, say you want to keep Nigeria one. Your master is not even ready. If they are ready, why do they encourage all their Fulani youth to start slaughtering people everywhere? And they say they want to keep Nigeria one? If Fulani want to keep Nigeria one, why do they lay pipe all the way from Niger Delta down to Niger and build a refinery there? And they refine that oil and return back to Nigeria and sell, give to you and your family. You buy in a higher rate. They say they want to keep Nigeria one, and you believe them. You still carrying gun and that uniform. You are a stupid man and a woman if you do that. Those people in the office who send you the work we are doing, you know, you guys, you said obey the last order. Don't obey any shit. Those guys are monsters. They are criminals. By now, we're supposed to march in Abuja and chase them away from that place. Chase them away from there. These guys, they come to destroy everybody. Are you not feeling the pain? Are you not feeling the pain? If you are not feeling the pain, let me hear you. Everybody is feeling the heat. Igbo is feeling it. Yoruba is feeling it. Niger Delta. Everybody, also people that they hear and everybody, your body is telling you now. Are you not feeling it? Drop that your uniform. That uniform is cost. If you still there with that uniform, you will die with that uniform. And that reminds me, you're from the east, you're from the west. You still wear that uniform, come they parade yourself like Rambo, come they shoot gun, like Jack and China, whatever. You go die. Make nobody happen now. You be Igbo man, you go Yoruba land, you go there, begin the shoot gun anyhow. They go kill you for that. And if they kill you, nobody will make pump. You be Yoruba man, you come Igbo land, they come they make you be Rambo. We go kill you for that. And nothing will happen. This is divide and rule is enough. Everybody is feeling the heat. If they send you to go shoot, no mind them. ESN is not ready to kill any innocent person. But if you come to kill us, we'll go kill you. So go tell your Oga. If you know like your life, you say you want to fight for one Nigeria, enter Sambisa Forest, no come to our land. Would they ring and like a bell, make you no come to our land because you go die. The army way we get, now you too. You no go fit fight them. Till why Danjima don't tell on that. You no go fit. Everybody hate you now. Nobody will not hate you in Nigeria. Nobody. You be military man and police. Everybody hate you guys.